Igakitong ko.
May sunog po, may sunog. May sunog. Ayan guys! Ayan guys! Katatapos lang mag-ano. Ay, hindi pa ba? Tapos na ba? Nailagay na lahat? Ayan guys. Ayan guys, ito na yung ano, bahay ng kaibigan ng friend. Ayan. Oh guys, 'di ba? Oh, punta kami sa Jollibee daw. Kakain kami sa Jollibee dito sa Missouri. Ayan, bali tinulungan namin siyang mag-move in dito sa kanyang bagong tirahan dito sa Missouri. Ayan, busy pa rin. Ayan guys, see you sa McDonald's, see you sa Jollibee. Bida ang saya. Yan po ang ginamit sa paglilipat guys. So ipapark lang muna natin dyan. Ipapark lang niya kasi iwanan namin. Kasi punta kami ng Jollibee. Doon kami papakainin ng aming friend. Ayan. So bagong lipat. Hop, yeah. Alay popcorn. Ayan na. See you sa Jollibee guys. Ito yung area. Yan, nakasama kami.
Yeah, there's just so much bullshit nobody wants to touch.
Exactly, right?
Well, look at this gold.
I mean, when we went to Cancun and last time,
Jollibee. Wala lang pila sa Jollibee. Oh, wala lang pila.
there should be a parking.
Chichismisan tayo.
Hindi.
Hindi makabakal.
Assuming you go
Hindi.
that way a little bit
Naka-off
more. Oh, they're right there.
Right there.
Yeah, they're in the
Find your
so
parking.
find a spot and shove it in there.
260.
Lock.
You have to pay for it?
No. It's free parking. Ayan, pasok kami dito. Tapos sasakay kami ng lift. Ayan, punta kami sa Jollibee. Ta-na-na-na-na. Ta-na-na-na-na.
Oh, here you got 1 hour free. Where? Muskets.
Give them ticket to mouth because we got to
Aray, reimburse.
Just tell her you have to pay $10.
Oh, what's those called? The Mayan something.
Yeah, that's in
Cancun.
Cancun. Rivera, or you guys can go to
That's what I was thinking. Maybe take the work to the pyramid. Come on, it's a bus, like the bus.
Suri. Sabi ko. Alam niya yung paulit-ulit lang. So yung ngayong araw ay umaga sa beach tapos mamaya ulit sa hapon beach ulit tayo. Alam mo naman hindi ma-beach na tao.
kasi gusto Mexico. Dapat picture.
Pipitsugin. Charos. Picturing din. Agi. Nandito kami sa King George. Okay? May yung sapatos ko mayroong nakalagay na.
Bato, may bato.
Oo, may bato.
You need to be any Filipinos here?
Maybe. Jollibee. Welcome to Jollibee. Ayan, tayo guys. Happy meal. Diba? Ayan guys, nakikita nyo naman, waiting kami kasi walang masyadong lamesa na available. So ito lang po yung kanilang dining. Ayan po, so ilang piraso lang yan. Kaya mag-aantay kami kung sino yung aalis na. Ayun, tsaka kami uupo. So parang gano'n na lang, pila-pila. So, ayan guys. Ayan na guys, mag-Jollibee na tayo guys. Order na tayo guys. Aray ko. Bidaan. You want rice?
I don't care.
Fry, gravy. And a chicken sandwich.
How many rice? Yeah. So there's already 2 rice in the 10 box.
O di, additional ka na lang ng ano, dalawa.
Isa lang daw. Meal. Ito yung kasama na.
Yan na ang ating mga